Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Logitech Slim Folio case and the iPad. Let me get this out. The new 6th gen iPad, the 9.7 inch. Let's see. iPad 6th generation, Wi-Fi only, 32, in space gray. I really like that color. So we're gonna open this box. We're gonna take a look at the iPad after we open the Logitech Folio case. So it's just a little flap here, so this magnetic flap right here. And there's some like in there. And we'll get this out. And there's a little booklet in there, but we'll look at that after. So this is the case. And then you've got a battery tab, and we'll go and take the plastic off. Since one-handed unboxings are hard. Oh. I guess I could just... Was it stuck? Okay, I'm able to just slide it off. Help. I'm trying to get this little strip off. Calm down.
Be careful, son. Don't rip and...
I'm not ripping something. I'm doing my... Oh, whoops.
Careful.
Okay. I didn't need to take this plastic off. See? There's a few strips of plastic around the keyboard. And then a pull tab, but we're not going to pull that yet, since we don't have our iPad installed. That's what's in the other...
Yeah, be careful
I'm
opening the
pad.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me get the cellophane off. And, I'm just using this little flathead screwdriver on the end of my pen to open the iPad. Okay, now I can just peel this.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay. Okay, so here's the pad. I'll put that in the Logitech box. Okay.
Okay. Hold on, just... was there any was there plastic around it?
Yeah, I put it in the Logitech box. Shake the pad out of its box. Now my dad's doing it. Okay, this is the iPad 9.7 right here. And I'll take the plastic off.
And carefully put it in the box. Don't wad it up, okay?
Okay. Okay, the plastic is off. Hold the iPad. There, plastic's off. We've got a lightning cable, a pamphlet, and the power brick. And the power brick. Put this cellophane that was on the iPad in the box. Put this back in the box. Okay. Put the box lid back on. So there's our lightning cable. Let's get the pad installed in its case. Let's get my iPad installed in the case. Okay, so we've got our iPad, line this up, and I'll push it in. Yep. It's in. And yeah, it just magnetizes like that. So now I just need to I'll pull the battery tab once we get our iPad set up. So let's push the power button. Should see a lovely Apple logo. Yep. There's the apples. There's the apple. So here's the keyboard. I see is a little chiclet buttons. Hello. It's okay. So it's saying hi. Push the button. English. Select your country region. Select your country. Let's see. Where is United States? United States. Quick start. If you have an iPhone or iPad running iOS 11, bring it nearby. I don't have a device running iOS 11, so I'm going to set this up manually. I don't have a computer with iTunes on it, so I'll just choose a Wi-Fi. Where's our Wi-Fi? Let me put the password. Okay, I put in the Wi-Fi. Okay, I put in the Wi-Fi code. It may take a few minutes to activate your iPad. iPad not set up. Continue. This icon appears when an Apple feature asks to use your personal info. You won't see this with every feature since Apple collects this information only when needed to enable features, secure services, or personalize your experiences. Apple believes privacy is a fundamental human right, so every Apple product is designed to minimize the collection and use of your data, use on-device processing whenever possible, and provide transparency and control over your information. Okay. There's some speck of something on my screen. Continue. I'd like to set up Touch ID, so Okay, so now I've got to put in the other sides of my fingerprint. Keep finger on home button until asked. Complete. Continue. Create a passkey. Okay, let me make a passkey. Custom numeric code. Fixed it reflected. Okay, next. Apps and data. No. Back. Set up this new pad. Oh, I'm gonna put the Apple ID in. Now I gotta put my Apple account in. Okay. Password is in. Next. May take a few minutes to set up your Apple account. Terms and conditions. I don't care. Agree. Ugh. Keyword's not working yet. Express settings. I'm fine with that. Continue. I said continue. Okay, it is spinning. I don't have a credit card, so I'm going to hit set up later. So I'm going to skip Apple Pay. To set up What? Let me get my iPod. Okay. Proof from other device. I said approve from other device. So I've got my iPod here. Keychain. Ugh. Start over. Erase iPad and start over. Oh. Help. I don't have an iCloud keychain. Use iPad passcode. Create a different code. Advance. Create a complex security code. I haven't used iCloud keychain before, so this number will be used to verify your identity. Okay. Siri. Yep, I want Siri. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, how's the weather today? Hey Siri, it's me. Okay. I was just having to set up Siri. iCloud Analytics. Share with Apple. Share with app developers. Okay, access the dock. I know how to do that from using Dad's iPad. Switch between recent tabs. Welcome to iPad. Let's get started. And there's the dock. So here's the main menu. Pretty basic. Let me try to find my phone. Actually, let's get the keyboard working. Let's get the keyboard working. I'm gonna pull the tab. I'll go ahead and pull the tab. And oh, the light just lit up. Blink, blink, blink. Okay, hold on. And I should find where's my iPad settings. Finish setting up your iPad. Turn on two-factor off. Turn on. Oh, let's verify your ID. Again with these security questions. Forgot the. Actually, I think I need to go look up my Apple ID settings. Not now.
They don't have a way of labeling their outfit.
Okay, iCloud. Actually, password and security. Rescue email. I forgot the security questions. Actually, just cancel. Bluetooth. Slim Folio.
So a little bit, we need to look at science right quick and see what it is we were supposed to find out today.
So
You
yeah,
know?
that's the unboxing and setup of the iPad. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.